Hello from tajmotormedics. I've got an Audi A6 here on a 2021, which is a 71 plate, says 2021-22. Just doing a pressure reset on this one. Now at the moment the tyre itself is 225 55 18, and it is a taxi, so he's usually got a load and more than 5 passengers as well. So he's got 5 passengers with the luggage. So you could either go with that pressure right there. You can go with this one. Now that's for 20 inch, so I wouldn't go with that one. I would go with the bottom one here, which is 2.8, 41 psi, 3.4, 49 psi. Now this is what it looks like if you've got something like this and you want to get rid of the tire pressure warning light. Now the warning we're looking at is this one right here. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to start the car up. Now this is a hybrid, so you won't hear the engine at all. So you can see it's running now. I'm just going to shut this door. Even the back one's open, so don't worry about it. Now to see, if I go back, press OK, and then I'll go into information. He's got a service due on this already. Now that's the thing we're gonna get rid of. Now to get rid of that, it is a simple procedure. So it's all touch screen. Press OK, go into car, and then service and checks. If you then scroll down, tire pressure, store tire pressure. Now you'd see in a second that's gone. That's all it was on this particular model. Now this here is quite spacious as well, so it's the long wheelbase one. As you can see, the legroom in the back is quite a lot. Now this is an Audi A6 on a 71 plate, which is a 2012 plate. If there is anything else you need to know, do check out the playlist for Audi, and do check out the playlist for tire pressure as well. So if you've got other cars that needs tire pressure reset, or anyone that you can recommend, just forward our channel details to them and they can check it out themselves. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, like the video, thank you, and goodbye.